All right, guys, I'm going to do the measure phase for continuous data real quick using the new worksheets. This is the old one, but I'm going to grab the days it takes to hire somebody. And then I am going to go through the steps. So the first chart is this histogram chart that's available to you. I'm going to put the data in there. Now, you're going to ignore the control charts unless the data is in time order. This tool is going to create them anyway. So let's go to the histogram first. Doesn't look very bell-shaped. Let's see if the p-value tells us if it's normal or not. The data is not normal. So you guys know with me, that simply means we're going to use our median. It takes 23 days to hire somebody instead of our average 26. Now this data is in time order. It's the last 24 people that we hired, so what we have here are two outliers. It's saying that person took too long to hire, and then this dot is saying that's too big of a jump between these two employees. We went from 65 days to 12. So that's basically the first slide and measure. We just need this. We'll say that the data is not normal, and we already have the control chart, which will be the third slide. So the only missing piece is to come in here to the capability analysis, and we're going to plug our data in here. And then we need to ask somebody how long is too long to hire. And if they say 30 days is the upper spec, now clearly there's no lower spec. You can't hire someone too fast. Then we are 1.7 sigma. Everything in the red was hired after 30 days, and you can expect that 40% of people are hired after day 90. If the boss says 45 days is too long to hire, maybe we're not doing so bad then. Only 11% of people are hired late. So this is slide 2 in the measure phase. The control chart is slide 3, which we've had created in several places, here and here. And then the first slide would be the histogram. So there you go, the measure phase for continuous data using these two new Excel spreadsheets is quite easy. You can still go over to the old one. Let's see, what's our data say? The median's 23 and the minimum hiring is 9. You could still go over to the old spreadsheet and plug in that data. It takes 23 days. The fastest we hired someone is 9, and then we should be able to hire people in 13.2 days. So here is our problem, and here is our goal. And you're off to the analyze phase. We just need to figure out why it takes so long to hire somebody.